Hey there, my friend. Will here over at XAUUSD.com and back again with our our best weekly trading setups for the week ahead, starting tomorrow, which is the 5th of July. If you're in Asia or when markets open in Europe and the US, it will be the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. So this week, some great news. I have two setups that I'm going to share with you that I'm looking to take in the week ahead. Okay, one is on the CAD Japanese yen and the other is on the CAD Swiss franc. Okay, so before we actually get into the trades, if you're new to the channel or you haven't yet subscribed, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get into the trading setups. So first one we're going to look at is the CAD Japanese yen, and I'm looking to short this week, which means sell it. Okay, so as always, first off, we're going to look at the higher time frames, starting with the monthly. Okay, I'm going to break it down as we do. Okay, so we're at this monthly area here at the minute. That's one there, and we're actually at this monthly area here also. Okay, and the area I'm looking at, you can see this has been ranging a long period of since 2017. You can see this was the last time price was up inside this area, and after that it dropped off. Okay, so what we look for now, we go into the lower time frames, i.e. we go into the weekly and we identify a weekly area inside that monthly. Okay, and this trade is a retest of this area here that actually broke the trend line. We'll look at the daily chart in a minute. Okay, so we're at this weekly level here inside the monthly. Okay, price is now. Okay, we have this last buy area here. Okay, the reason this is a buy area is because you have the swing low and then the new swing high to test this area up here. Okay, and it actually was a trend line break. So what I'm looking for is the market to come up and test the area that broke the trend line. Okay, and which was up here, and I'm looking for the market to come back into this area here this week, which is around the 9600 area. Okay, so I'm looking at the market just come back up in here, the area that actually caused this first drop off here, and the market to sell off again. Okay, so basic setup, I'm looking for the market to come back up into this area here. Okay, selling opportunity at 9600. My stop loss, we have enough for the stop loss to go above the weekly area here, and we shall do the setup here. Okay, so it's sell. God, remember, trade at your own risk. This is just what I'm doing and what me and my clients are doing. So sell at your own risk, as always. Sell CAD Japanese yen at 90600 or on first divergence, MACD divergence signal on one hour or 4-hour chart. Okay, so if you want to get that indicator, if you don't already have it, just simply send me an email at will@fxace.com. Okay, stop loss. Okay, we're going to go above the weekly area. Okay, which is good. We can actually get above the weekly area. It says 91,800. And our take profit. Okay, I'll show you the take profit, which was the last buy zone, which is around 86. Take profit at 86. Okay, so pause your video, write that down, and I'll just break down the trade again, the reason being. So we're looking for this area that broke the daily trend up here, okay, that caused this drop. You can see that we have been divergence for inside this weekly and monthly area. So I do expect the market to test this area again and then sell off. Okay, this could be a buy trap, just get buyers back in, and then it comes up here and sells off. Okay, so we will see what happens this week. Again, take profit is the opposite weekly area. Okay, so I do expect the market to come back down around this 86 area. Okay, down in around here. Okay, so that's set up on the CAD Japanese yen. Okay, the next setup is on the CAD Swiss franc. Okay, again we go to the monthly charts. Okay, we're at this monthly resistance again. Okay, and just this weekly area here again, market started to move sideways, getting divergence signals, distribution. So I'm just really selling this on the open this week. Okay, you see every time it comes up here, the market sells off. Okay, so we're looking to sell this at 74. It's basically when the market opens, 74,800. Okay, so sell CADCHF at 0.74800 or on market open or 1 hour after the market opens. Market's open. Okay. Stop loss. Okay, we're going to go get above the resistance area, the weekly area. The stop loss will be at 0.76. Okay, take profit is around about take profit is around about 71. Okay, 0. Again, trade at your own risk, 71. Okay, so that's the setup. Pause your video, have a look, and we'll just break the setup down again. Once again, okay. Okay, this is not actually a zone to me, basically because this swing low did not create a new swing high, so this is not an area I'd look for. Okay, possibly we'll get a bit of support here, again around the 71 area, and this is where I'll look to target. I'll look the market to drop down here, take out this low, and continue down. Okay, the last kind of area here is here, again around about the 71 area is where the market will likely target. Okay, you see that area a lot clearer on the daily charts. Okay, in and around this area here. Okay, this was basically the swing low, and this was the leg start that caused this move up here to the new highs. Okay, the market's moving sideways. We're getting divergence signals. Okay, we're getting in a period of distribution at a higher time frame level. All indications telling me that the market will likely sell off here. Could be wrong. Market could break up through this and continue up higher. But as you can see, since really 2014, this market has been moving sideways. Okay, from the top here to the 71 area. Okay, these lows. Okay, last year was 2020. We had in March we had this breakdown here, and that was basically in, I think it was February or March, when the kind of corona crisis was going worldwide. The markets were kind of crashed that month. Okay, so expecting this just to come back down and range between this area again. Okay, we will see. We are in July, so the markets could slow up. We'll see how these trades go this week. This one is basically just open on the market. As soon as the market opens, 1 hour after, so you don't get caught with big spreads, just simply enter the position. And as always, trade at your own risk. Okay, if you want to get access to our full list, we've got a lot of setups this week, more than usual, around 25 trading setups. If you want to access that, just simply click the link below or click the link in the description area of the video on YouTube here. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a great week, and I shall see you on the next video. Well over to fxace.com.